Visiting factories. I've been looking forward to visiting your factory.
These drawings on the wall are process sheets.
Is the production line fully automatic?
All products have to pass strict inspection before they go out.
Could you give me some brochures for your product?
I think we may be able to work together in the future.
How do you control the quality of the products?
Dialogue 1. Welcome to our factory.
I've been looking forward to visiting your factory.
Actually, you'll know our products better after the visit. I'll show you around and explain the operations as we go along.
That'll be most helpful.
Maybe we should start with the design department, and then we could look at the production line.
How much do you spend on design development every year?
About 3 to 4% of the gross sales.
That's fine. Could I have a look over the manufacturing process?
Of course. This way, please. This is the assembly line. These drawings on the wall are the process sheets. They describe how each process goes on to the next.
How many workers are there on the lines?
About 60, but we are running on 2 shifts, and every day 1,400 motor cars are assembled.
Oh, it's highly efficient.
Yes, this assembly line was built recently. Almost every process is computerized. What a worker does is usually to push buttons. Thus, the efficiency is greatly raised and the intensity of labor is decreased.
How do you control the quality of the products?
Well, all products have to go through 5 checks in the whole process. We believe that the quality is the soul of an enterprise. Therefore, we must put quality as the first consideration.
Yes, quality is even more important than quantity.
That's right.
I hope my visit does not cause you too much trouble.
No trouble at all. Shall we rest a while and have a cup of tea before going around?
That's fine. Dialogue 2. How large is the plant?
It covers an area of 55,000 square meters.
It's much larger than I expected. When was it set up?
In the early 1970s. We'll soon be celebrating the 30th anniversary.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
How large is the machine shop?
Its total area is 3,000 square meters.
Do we have to wear the helmets?
You'd better to protect your heads. When in the workshop, please don't cross the white lines.
Is the production line fully automatic?
Well, not fully automatic.
What kind of quality control do you have?
All products have to pass strict inspection before they go out.
This visit gave me a good picture of your product areas.
I'm pleased you found it helpful. What's your general impression, may I ask?
I'm impressed by your approach to business. In addition, you have fine facilities and efficient people. The product gives you an edge over your competitors, I guess.
Yes, no one can match us as far as quality is concerned.
Could you give me some brochures for your product, and the price if possible?
Certainly. Here are our sales catalog and literature.
Thank you. I think we may be able to work together in the future.